You're not in the mood to work out? Good. That's exactly when you train. Discipline isn't about doing things when it's easy. It's doing them when it's hard, when you're tired, when you're stressed, when you're broke, and when your girl just left you. That's when it counts. Let me tell you about this guy I met in Dubai, young kid, maybe 23, walks up to me, says, "Tate, I'm depressed. I can't focus. I don't feel like doing anything." I said, "How many push-ups did you do today?" He says, "None." There's your problem. You're drowning in your own emotions because you've got no structure, no target, no fight. So I made him do 200 push-ups right there on the sand, sweating, shaking, breathing hard. Afterward, he stood up straight and looked me in the eye and said, "I actually feel better." No shit, because movement is power, pain is clarity, discipline is freedom. You think your life's falling apart? Try falling in love with hard work. Another guy messages me, "I want to get in shape, but I'm just not consistent." I said, "You're not consistent because you're soft. You don't have a training problem. You have a standards problem. You've accepted being average, and average is an insult."